Hey, what's happening, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's time to talk about Shiba Inu in the context of being legitimate. And we're going to talk about a particular outlet which has not only added Shiba Inu to its daily crypto data coverage, but also 49 other cryptocurrencies. So you may have heard of Bloomberg, right? Huge outlet in the space covering the markets. They are now looking at cryptocurrency as more of a legitimate asset class by adding the top 50, in their opinion, the top 50 cryptocurrencies to its daily crypto data coverage. And Shiba Inu has made that top 50 list, which no surprise, right? But this is big. Bloomberg, again, adding SHIB to along with 49 other cryptocurrencies to its daily crypto data coverage. It now provides market coverage for the top 50 cryptocurrencies. What I don't know is, will this list change as the top 50 changes? I'm not quite sure. But of course, SHIB is comfortably in the top 20. So SHIB should be covered here for a while. It's of course, a popular software and media company, Bloomberg, that announced this recently. They noted in a press release that investors in the top 50 cryptos, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Doge, SHIB, Polkadot, Ripple XRP, Cardano, among others, can now monitor the intraday trading prices of the crypto assets directly from Bloomberg's website. A lot of people visit this website every single day. So, mind you, there are a lot of people who are not into cryptocurrency at all, right? But who go to Bloomberg every day for their stock news and information. Well, now you have all these people who could stumble upon some information about crypto, stumble upon some information about SHIB. We want to grow this 5%, right? 5% of people globally invested in cryptocurrency. However, there are a lot of people interested. There are some different data points there where you can look at, people taking polls if they're interested in crypto. A lot of people are interested. They just haven't made that purchase yet. It's like, anything else, like in-store purchases or things on Amazon that have been in your favorites for a while, right? People just haven't come around to actually make that purchase. A lot of people have crypto on their minds. And now that Bloomberg is listing the top 50, it'll even be more top of the mind, especially when we get back into a bull market. Now, it's worth noting that Bloomberg has been providing useful crypto data for a little while since 2013. However, at the time they launched the service, it initially tracked the data of the world's largest crypto, just Bitcoin, right? So they really just focused on Bitcoin. They were Bitcoin centric, not really talking about DeFi and the other aspects of the cryptocurrency market. Now, the company subsequently bolstered its data tracking service to include the top 10 cryptos back in 2018, but now they're expanding it out to the top 50. Per Bloomberg, the move to increase the number of cryptos being tracked came as a result of the massive interest in the asset class. They don't just do this on a whim, right? They do this when they see the data of what's behind the top 50 cryptos and how many people are now interested in things like SHIB, in things like Polygon and Crow and all of these other big assets that we talk about all the time on the channel in the top 50. Our mission is to help the global institutional investor community to seamlessly incorporate digital assets into their workflows in a trusted and familiar way through Bloomberg Terminal. What do we talk about all the time? We need institutional money to come into crypto. We need institutional money to not be afraid of cryptocurrencies. This helps, right? Bloomberg Terminal, a very, very well-respected resource, now has the top 50 cryptocurrencies there on its site. People will look at that and it will matter. People will say, wow, well, if Bloomberg is putting up the top 50, that must mean that these are relatively good assets, right? To at least explore, to potentially invest in. Meanwhile, using the service to monitor intraday cryptocurrency prices is really simple. Users are required to visit the Bloomberg website, click the CRYP to begin monitoring the prices of any cryptocurrency in the top 50. So this is big. I mean, not only is it a good thing for just marketing, hey, Bloomberg is partnered with SHIB and makes it more legit. This is good for the widespread adoption of cryptocurrency. This is bridging the gap that currently exist between institutional investors, people on the stock market side of things, coming into crypto, right? Slowly learning more and more about cryptocurrency. This is big. And this will have lasting effects down the line, especially, again, once we get back into a bull market when people are spending money again in all the markets, really, not just crypto, right? That's what I've got for you here in the video. Thank you all so much for tuning in. My Patreon link is down below if you want to come join our private community. We're talking about the top 50 cryptos all the time, talking about new launches. We got you with tech support. We got a great group of people, and we're learning and growing together and winning together in these markets. So thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate it, and we'll see you all in the next one.